Hey guys, Josh with Magnum Property Management here. Today's video is every landlord's favorite topic. It's saving money on their taxes. Please keep in mind that if you own a rental property in California, there's a ton of things that we'll go over that'll save your taxable income. I am not a tax professional. I want to make that very clear, but here's some of the top things that you should know. One of the easiest things to deduct is property management fees. All fees paid by a licensed property management company. This is going to include leasing, monthly management, the coordination services. Everything is fully deductible as operating expenses. These costs directly relate to you generating your rental income, so there's typically some of the easiest ones you can write off. A major tax break is your mortgage interest. If you have a loan on your rental property, the interest portion of your mortgage payment is deductible. This is often the largest deduction that landlords claim each year, so be sure to keep an annual statement form, and it's the 1098 if it's provided. Ones we deal with daily are repairs and maintenance. So routine repairs and maintenance like fixing leaks, replacing fixtures, servicing HVAC systems, or just maintaining landscaping. These are all generally deductible in the year at the very end when they're paid. However, larger upgrades that improve or extend the life of the property are considered capital improvements, and they must depreciate over time. So just be careful to differentiate the two there. Next big one is depreciation. This is a long-term tax advantage. Residential properties can be deducted over 27 and a half years. That's excluding the value of the land. It allows landlords to deduct a portion of the property's value each year, even if there's no major cash expense occurred. Number 5, professional services and operating expenses. So what does that mean? These are fees paid to accountants, attorneys, contractors, and any other professionals related to your rental businesses. These are all deductible. Advertising costs, tenant screening software, and certain travel expenses, they also can qualify. Just make sure you keep clear documentation. Bonus deductions landlords often overlook are insurance premiums, utilities that they cover by the tenants, HOA dues, and even a qualifying home office if they're actively managing their own rentals. As tax season approaches, we hope that this video brought you value, but please keep in mind that the tax rules can vary based on ownership or your personal situation. We're not tax professionals. We highly advise that you reach out to a CPA when doing all of your taxes. If you need help with managing your home, the day-to-day, the maintenance, or even the bookkeeping to help you with your taxes, please reach out.